Tired of juggling multiple apps just to create a simple document? What if AI could do it all for you in seconds? After watching this, you'll master Gemini's new file generation feature, saving you hours by creating polished PDF reports, Word documents, and Excel spreadsheets directly from chat. The problem? Why this matters? The tedious, time-consuming copy-paste cycle between AI responses and your document editor. Most people aren't leveraging AI's full potential for integrated workflow solutions, wasting valuable time. Seamless document creation and direct download is now possible, dramatically speeding up report, note, and data generation. Getting set up. Access Google Gemini through gemini.google.com. Ensure you're logged into your Google account. No special settings or integrations are required. This is a core platform update. One gotcha to avoid: vague prompts. Always specify the desired file type, PDF, Word, Excel, and key content elements. Core technique, step by step. Step 1. Open Google Gemini and start a new conversational thread. Step 2. Craft a precise prompt specifying the document type and content, e.g., create a detailed marketing plan in Word format for a new product launch, covering target audience, strategy, and KPIs. Step 3. Allow Gemini to process your request and present the generated document within the chat interface. Step 4. Click the dedicated download button conveniently located next to the newly created file. Key variable to adjust for best results. Be explicit about formatting instructions, e.g., use bullet points for recommendations, include a table for budget breakdown. Advanced tips and variations. Power user trick 1. Combine requests in a single prompt. Generate a presentation outline in Google Slides format and a summary report in PDF for our Q3 performance review. Power user trick 2. Iterative refinement. After initial generation, ask Gemini to revise this report to include a SWOT analysis section, or expand on the market research findings. Combination with another tool. Download an Excel file from Gemini and immediately import it into Google Sheets or Tableau for deeper visualization and analysis. Real-world results. Concrete example output. Showcase a generated PDF executive summary, a structured Word document for an essay, and an Excel sheet for project budgeting. Time/money saved. Demonstrate how what used to be 15–30 minutes of manual formatting and copying now takes mere seconds with Gemini. Use cases viewers can try today: business reports, academic essays, personal finance trackers, meeting minutes, blog post outlines, and more. Subscribe to AI Tips for more practical AI tutorials.